Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to change your name in AOL Mail. So let's get started. At first we need to get into AOL app or AOL website from any browser. After that we need to click on this your name over here and click on personal info. Now here we can see our personal information and here you can see your name. Now click on update personal details and click on first name, and you can change your name as per your need. Let's click on preferred name for now and change it. You can change any of your personal details here and click on save updates. Select the gender and click on save updates. So this is it. Now our preferred name is changed. Likewise, you can change your first name and last name as well. So this is it. This is how you can change your name in AOL Mail. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.